stay smoothly and firmly in place for a long-lasting wear. Just press on go. No glue needed. Our imPRESS Couture Collection press-on nails have the super hold everybody loves, enhanced with the trendiest, high-end nail art around. Style Lush Life features nude color and glitter false nails, including 12 sparkling rhinestone accent nails in a medium length, square shape. This stylish DIY home manicure kit provides a comfortable, secure fit for a seamless and natural look and feel. Bigger, bolder stones accentuate these one-step gel nails. Created with innovative technology, these durable fake nails stay put and perfect for up to 1 week. Top reviews from the United States. If you can't go in to get your nails done, but these. Not bad. I wish some of the nail sizes were a tad bit smaller, but they do look very natural. I cut and filed my nails and used the pad prior to applying. My one recommendation is to go ahead and buy a bottle of nail glue and use that to apply instead of just using the sticky these come with. I have had mine on for 24 hours using glue and have not had any come off yet. I also have a toddler I am constantly picking things up and moving. They look great and are filling my desire to go in and get my nails done. Also make sure you file to get them in just right.